If you don't live under a rock, you probably know what a 911 is. It's basically a supercar. And my Serbian friend just texted me saying that, yo, bro, I want one of these cars so that we all can go on a tour across the Europe and have the time of our lives. So I'm going to be basically building out an outbound system for him. Basically, a system that he can use to reach out to like hundreds and thousands of strangers every single week, every single month, and just let them know that this is what he does so that they can like buy from him eventually after getting on a call with the same. And I have already built out systems for cold email and SMS for him, and today we're going to be building out Twitter. So I just thought like I'll do it live so that number one, you can see how the entire process is behind the scenes, and if you're like dead broke, you can basically like just copy it and steal it, because I know like so many people doing exactly that, like stealing everything word by word. Apart from that, if you are not dead broke and you do have some money to invest, you can see like I'm freaking competent, and then you can pay me a lot of money and you can buy whatever stuff I have to sell you. And last but not the least, so that Luca is able to get like a lot of appointments, revenue, sales, everything. So yeah, that's basically the aim of this video. So what I'm gonna do is I have created this custom GPT over here, Mozi AI, where I basically trained him on like Alex Hormozy $6,000 upsell. So Alex Hormozy basically launches latest book, 100 million money models, and after you buy the book, there was like a $6,000 package as well, where he basically gave you access to a lot of cool stuff like extra playbooks, like handbooks, like basically a lot of extra cool shit. So I took all of those books, I gave it into ChatGPT as custom knowledge, and I also scraped all these YouTube videos. So basically this AI knows every single word Alex Hormozy has said in the past 2 days, including all of the shit from his paid stuff and free stuff, everything. So yeah, it's like better, like it's just a better version of ChatGPT, so I'm going to be using it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a form which has answers of the person. So I reached out to, like, when my friend said that he wanted the outbound system, I sent out a form asking him like what exactly does he do, like what can he sell, like how does it benefit his customers, and I just have like a lot of answers. So I'm going to give it to ChatGPT so that it has some context about the business, and then we can move ahead. Yo ChatGPT, so this is a form which a friend of mine submitted. So basically he needs help with building out an outbound system, and like he has answered like multiple things like what does he sell, what skill sets does he have, like who does he sell to. And right now I want to build like an outbound system for Twitter. So based on these answers, like help me create a strategy. Firstly, like tell me like what exactly can we sell, how can we like package it into a nice offer. And I don't want you to like give me a lot of fluff and shit, I just want you to like give me actual practical actionable shit which I can like literally apply. So yeah, I don't want theory, I want like actual implementation. Anyway, so I just want you to like basically think what exactly can we offer, because he offers like different things. What will be the best for Twitter, what would be the correct audience or the correct demographic to offer it to, because like let's say he wants to sell something to local businesses, like they won't be active on Twitter. So try to think like what niche would be actually active on Twitter, and then like give me ways we can find leads for the same, because that's going to be the hard part. Like the only hard part about Twitter outreach is finding leads. So give me some people who are probably being followed by these ideal customers so that we can scrape their followers and reach out to them. Or you can find me like maybe giveaway type of post where a lot of people are replying to get something, and then we can like basically like reach out to all those people over there. So yeah, just give me like a brief strategy, like give me some like what happened is I received this document a couple of days ago and I've kind of forgotten everything he does exactly. So give me like a brief summary of the same, and just like try to think and analyze like what could be the correct industry to reach out to, and what should we say in the messages. And yeah, just give me something. If you have any questions, like feel free to ask me, I'm here to help. I prefer like correctness instead of like, I don't mind answering your question, just ensure like they're correct. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll probably have to pause the video as well, because like ChatGPT thinking mode, it does take some time. So yeah, I'm going to use like thinking mode because it's better, and then I can also use extended thinking so that it uses more reasoning over here. And the thing about AI is like, I'll just put it before I yap. The thing about AI is like, if you're thinking like you can just like give this exact prompt to ChatGPT and make it work, it won't work. How AI works is like, let's say there's a very good writer, so that writer already knows like what good writing sounds like, so he can prompt ChatGPT to create something of like value for him. He can prompt chat GPT to, like, let's say as a YouTube video like me, I can take that YouTube video's transcript, like the word by word summary, I can give it to chat GPT and I can tell it, convert this into a LinkedIn post. That LinkedIn post probably will like do decent kind of, yeah. So I already know what good writing is because I've written manually without AI for so long that I know what good writing looks like. So when I use AI, I can see like, does this thing actually look good? So like the point I'm trying to convey is, if you just use this prompt over here or something similar and you just like give it to chat GPT, and you have never done outbound systems, you have never built out outbound systems successfully, it'll probably be like a waste of time, because like you don't know what is a good outbound system because you've never made it work. So you would just like blindly follow chat GPT instructions, and the chances of you getting it right in the first try is pretty freaking low. So yeah, actually we got the reply from chat GPT as well. Like imagine it says like imagine you did not know that jumping off the 36th floor, like I'm on the 26th floor right now, and there's like a rooftop pool on the 36th floor. So imagine there's a person who does not know like jumping off the 36th floor will kill him, and chat GPT just says like, yeah, just jump off the building, and he like blindly follows it. The outcome won't be very nice, right? So that's the basic point I'm trying to convey. Anyways, like let's have a look at what chat GPT said. Alright, no, blah 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 blah. Snapshot of the form. You build AI powered automation plus outbound systems, lead gen, client, communication bots, operation, blah blah blah. So yeah, I'm just reading it. You can pause and read it. So he's basically helping people with more revenue. DTC, com, fintech. No, this probably won't be there on Twitter. I think high ticket coaches, consultants will be good. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'll just read it, and once I've created like a rough summary of it, I'll resume the video. I'll pause it right now. So to be really honest, like ChatGPT did a better job than what I expected. So it gave me like a couple of usernames, which is pretty accurate, because like yeah, these people are being followed by coaches because I follow some of them. I'm not a coach, but I know a lot of people do follow them. So it gave us profiles as well, and then basically it gave us like ideas like you should be selling to coaches and consultants, which I think is correct because they're much more active over there, and they're much more active compared to like fintech people. It does say like SaaS founders and indie hackers as well, but bro, these people are literally like some of the brokest people I know. Everyone thinks like software is so freaking glamorous, and software is glamorous when it works well, but like the average agency owner is probably richer than the average software like startup owner, because in software it's like a lower ticket thing and it's much harder to crack because I have both these businesses. So I kind of am in a unique position where I know like the pros and cons of both. Software is great because I can just sell unlimited of it and people just buy it and use it. Like he's going to be using my Twitter outreach software, like this one only, and like I can sell it to him. That's like $40-50 every single month coming into my bank account with zero efforts from my end. So yeah, it's great. But at the same time, like I cannot charge like $5,000 a month for the same until unless I provide him a service along with it as well. So yeah, he's correct. Like I think he should be targeting high ticket coaches and consultants, maybe agency owners later. And basically he mentioned in the form that he's willing to build out like a micro automation for free. So yeah, let me just try to ask it like what exact automation did he mention and exact examples. Yeah, this sounds pretty good, ChatGPT. So good job on the same. I think we should just focus on one niche for now. Let's focus on coaches and consultants. Now coming to like what can we offer them? We have to like first like create the outbound message, and for that we need to be extremely clear like what exact pain point are we solving. So in the form I'm pretty sure like he gave examples of different free automations we can build out for them, and yeah, just go to the form and find me the exact automation which he mentioned about building out for them for free, and different lead magnet examples. Because if we have like a good useful lead magnet, we can like convert it into how like it basically solves a painful problem, and then based on that we can create outbound message, and then we can reach out to these people as well. Because I think like we're going in the right direction, like the setter thing, whatever. So yeah, let's just focus on like the lead magnet and create a powerful outbound message campaign. So yeah, what I'll also do in the meantime is open up Twitter and try to find like giveaway type of posts because they perform like really well. So what you can do on Twitter is like there's a guy which I know a lot, like something like Levy or some shit. What was the name? Is he there in my DMs? Probably. Yeah, this guy. So, anyways, he keeps on doing these giveaway posts. Where is it? Yeah, got a chat GPT that drafts your full Apollo search in like 10 seconds, sharing it for free in the next few days. So, anyways, just try to think like this post has got like 175 replies, and all of these people are probably using Apollo. They probably are doing outbound because they're probably interested in cold email. Now, let's say I was interested in selling like cold email services to them, or I was interested in selling my own software because, like, bro, I used to have a lead generation software. It's no longer live anymore, like Leadwave. It's now converted into leadinfo.salesgen.com. So yeah, I did change it because that was getting very expensive, and like this has some more cool new features as well. Anyways, so I had this software and we offer like a free trial, so you can see over here, you can try it out for free. And the way I got my first paying users is literally like just reaching out to everyone on these giveaway posts, who are like reaching out to posts, like replying on posts related to cold email and like a poll and everything. So what I'm now trying to do, you can see like it's free for like 3 days and you can try it out. It's very affordable, like just $49 a month for unlimited credits. Leadinfo.salesgen.com, you can go try it. Yeah. Anyway, so what I'm trying to do while ChatGPT is working is just find like giveaway posts. So what I'll do is I'll search for coach, and then there's something known as advanced search on Twitter. So I'm just gonna like open up a doc with links of different posts as well, and that should be sorted. So now we can apply some filters. So the main filter is minimum reply. So I just want posts which have like minimum 50 replies, because then we obviously like they have like things. Okay, so coaching, let's do coaching. Simply say, huh? Why like this doesn't even have like the exact like all of these keywords, keyword. Yeah, let's search for it. Mm-hmm. No, want to one up to. These are not coaches, so maybe attention coaches, because that's what a lot of people use in ads. So let's see. Advanced search. This exact no. Oh, so okay. So finding giveaway posts will be hard. Like I'll ask ChatGPT for the same. Business coach. Oh, like coaching business, that could be it. Because a lot of people will create posts like I took my coaching business from this to that. So maybe that. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think this could be one. And is a yeah, I think like this could work too. Like yeah, this is like one post. So I'll just like post links of it, like these different Twitter posts, so that we can like later reach out to them. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'll look at what ChatGPT has come up with as well. So free automation audit and where the time personalized workflow map, mini automation. Mm. Mm-hmm. Pin tweet, lead magnet, CTA. Okay, so this is easy. So in the automation which he mentioned, like has he given some exact automation? Like I want to pitch it as an automation that will actually like benefit people. Like how does it work? Like give me some more context on the exact automation he's willing to offer to people for free, so that I have like a bit more context and then I'm able to make like a better decision. And on top of it, also give me some keywords which these giveaway type of posts will include, so that I can like create a list of them and find them using advanced search on Twitter. I'll try to ask Grok as well, because it will be better at finding usernames on Twitter. Don't tell me Grok does not have like video mode, like speech mode. Hi Grok. So basically I am creating an outbound campaign where I want to help coaches get more like business basically. And I wanted to find like giveaway type of post, like there are posts where people say I'm giving away free leads. So the people who respond to them are mostly like agency owners because they want free leads. But what are some giveaway posts which like these coaches and consultants are interacting with, and they have at least like 100 replies on them, so that I can like reach out to all of the people who have replied, so I know like okay, these people are exactly coaches. And also give me like 5 to 10 prominent people with like, let's say 50,000 or like 30,000 to 500,000 followers, which are being followed by coaches and consultants, so that I can like reach out to their following as well. Just help me with this, please. Let's ask Grok. This is one post. Let's just try coaching. Not able to find it. What can we search? Anyways, we'll just stick to followers and following then. This looks good. This is kind of shit. Yeah, Tony Robbins is probably followed by coaches. Let's just do that. Yeah, Tony Robbins, how could we forget him? Okay, this looks good. So, give me usernames of people who are being followed by these coaches and consultants as well, like the top 10 people. And also, like, these did not work, like, these are very generic, like, these are not able to find me people who are exactly like coaches and consultants, like the keywords which you asked to mention over there. And one more thing which I wanted to ask you is, like, what would be the end benefit of the AI lead nurturing workflow? Like, what's a tangible thing we can promise? Like, for example, if I say I'll build you an outbound system that gets you like 5 to 7 interested people every single day, so that's kind of tangible, right? In a time frame. So what's like the tangible outcome of that? And let's just like package everything together and let's just move forward with it. Also give me like a list of different keywords which these people will include in the bio. So like 50 keywords which will be included in the bio of these coaches and consultants, or like give me like 100 different keywords and 100 keywords which will not be included. Give both of these separately in a code block so that I can copy all of them and provide it. Yeah. So yeah, I'll just like run this prompt and pause the video, and once we're back we should be done, because now what we need to do is we've kind of found like the exact message which you're going to be saying. I'm going to be drafting this after that, after like we get the exact end benefit, and then after that we will be finding like people whose followers and followings we can scrape. And like for that, obviously, like not every person following Tony Robbins will be a coach. For example, if I follow him, I'm not a coach, so like someone reaching out to me will be pretty, like it will be pretty stupid, right? So yeah, anyways, like that's what we're going to be doing, just waiting for it to come up with an idea and everything, and then like applying filters by keywords so that we only reach out to people who are like qualified to work with us. And on top of it, then yeah, we just start sending out the messages. So after a while, we have gotten like the bunch of different keywords as well to include and to exclude. And like, yeah, this kind of makes sense. So it's basically telling me, like, it has given me some accounts as well over here which we can do. And then another thing is like the exact offer. So we can say like we'll install something like an AI system for free that will get you like that will give you a couple calls booked every single week. So yeah, that could be pretty decent because that's actually something tangible. And yep, we can definitely do it. I think that's pretty much it. And then we have some like profiles as well. But right now I remember like there's this guy called Jad, and I've actually like spoken to him earlier as well. So yeah, that's why I think like a lot of coaches follow him. He's being followed by a lot of people like Ben Bader. Ben Bader is probably the perfect person for this because a lot of coaching people follow him because he's like the guy who helps coaches and everything. So yeah, I'll firstly go after Jack Play. We should probably be getting leads for 5 to 10 days using this. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I'll just create like a doc to it, strategy followers of, yeah, that's what we're going to be doing is reach out to all these 137,000 followers, and obviously like, not all of them will be qualified. After that, coming to the exact message, we can just focus on like, based on all the different like criterias of a good offer from all the different books and like methods of doing outbound which you have access to. You have 100 million leads, 100 million money models, and 100 million offers, and a lot of other cool stuff. Create like a 3-line outbound message which is very short, very casual and human sounding and concise and to the point, which we can basically like send out to these coaches to basically like just sell our stuff to them. Like we want to pitch the lead magnet that we will install that AI thing, whatever it is, for free. Focus on the end benefit, make it seem like a partnership instead of like a sales, and yeah, just make it like really risk free, make the call to action very like frictionless and everything. And yeah, let's just run it up, let's just do it. So cool, we do have this thing ready, like 5 different messages which we can use. And now I'm going to be like creating this. Obviously this is just to get an idea. If you send this, you probably won't get any replies because it does fucking sound like chat GPT. So that's what I'm going to be doing. PM to send. Yo, first name. Hey, first name. Oh, I know this is kinda like, I just like to add it. It usually breaks the ice, but I've been trying out an AI system that got a coach that's been getting a coach in the performance marketing niche, that is getting a coach around 5 to 7 new daily. A couple of them convert into close calls at calls at which 100x cheaper than the ones he gets from ads. I want small a because then it sounds like much more human. Hey, first name, I know this is kind of random, but I've been trying out an AI system that has been getting a coach around 5 to 7 leads daily. A couple of them convert into like qualified calls. The AI then converts a couple of them into qualified calls 100x cheaper than the ones he gets from ads. Can I try it out. Can I see if the same will work for you at zero cost, and if it does, we can maybe partner up together. Yeah, let me know. Yeah, message sounds pretty good. Followers of this person. And yeah, let's see if there are any other settings which I need to share with them over there. So I'll come over to bots, demo bot, followers of the particular person. Like skip all these people. Interval, I don't think so he needs help with that. Anything in settings which he needs to like look at is filters. So yeah, let's just apply some filters as well. Bio included keywords and excluded keywords, we can do that. And after that, like only reach out to, let's say, like verified profiles, because if a coach is not verified, he probably is not a good fit for it. So only reach out to verified profiles. And then followers at least like 100, at least 500. Yeah, like otherwise it's pretty useless. Like what the frick is the person gonna do? Settings, what else? Posts, at least 10 posts, let's say, because otherwise it's useless. 10 posts, and I'll give him keywords for bio as well. Okay, this sounds good, but the keywords you gave me to include and exclude initially, like just try to actually sit down and think like what would an actual coach include in his bio? Because like you've given like fitness coach, health coach, like of course they can do it as well, like they need calls too. So we're not like fixing down on one particular type of coach, we're like reaching out to all coaches and consultants. So like accordingly, please give me the bios and just ensure like you think of everything, like what exact keywords could be included. So yeah, just ensure like I get the exact keywords and no ideal customer profile is missed out of the same. So yeah, now I'm just gonna send it out. And if you're thinking like how can I do the same shit for myself and how can I basically like save a lot of money in the process, is number one, you can just like use this Mozy AI if you want access to it, like at this platform called SaveBig, where it basically helps you save a lot of money. So just come here and search for it, Mozy, and Mozy AI, you can like buy it from here. Yeah, it's like just a one-time fee if you want to use it, and it's literally like you're getting everything I paid $6,000 for, so you don't have to pay it, and it has access to all the books and everything. Anyways, after that, when it comes to like the software which you're going to be using for this, like the URL might have changed, but right now it's salegen.com/xoutreachpro. You'll find like the latest link in the pinned comment. So yeah, this is the software we're using. This is my software obviously because it's cheaper and better than everything. You can use Xreacher, like this is one software I suggest, and I have like a 40% discount code. The reason is like that is unlimited access at one fixed price, like in my software. Over here it's like pay per, it's basically like pay per call, sorry, pay per account. So if I want one account, I have to pay like $97 a month, and then if I want more accounts, I have to pay like more and more money. So yeah, that's why I don't use it a lot. I used to use it earlier before I made my own platform. So you can use it if you want it. Like just let me know. Like there's a WhatsApp community I have, like join that. I'll give you like an affiliate link, and that affiliate link, if you use it, I'll give you the coupon code for free. So you basically get to save a lot of money by just like using this one via my affiliate link if you want it. Yeah, that's what we're going to be using for outreach. And if you like, ChatGPT is not something which you want really, but if you want ChatGPT at half the price activated on your email, just search up ChatGPT on SaveBig and you will have access to that as well. I don't think so you need anything else for the same. Yeah, like these keywords are better. Yeah, these keywords are much better. Yeah, let's just do it. Include keywords. Boom. exclude keywords. Yeah, I think we're pretty much good to go. That's almost everything ready. And now, yeah, we're just pretty much sorted. We're good to go. In case in the future I come up with the even better advanced platform for X outreach, it'll be there in the pinned comment. You can go buy from there, probably a free trial as well. You can try it out for free. And now we just have to like create the messages and start sending, like this is the software I'm going to be using. Reach about by SalesGen, which is my software. So yeah, like I don't know why I'm on like the free plan right now. I just like log in with the email which has the unlimited plan. You can try it out for free as well, like 20 DMs a day for free. With unlimited plan, you get like unlimited DMs across all accounts. And yeah, that's all I had. If you have any questions, reach out. If you want me to build your outbound system for free as well, you have to cover the cost of software and infrastructure. I'll do it for free. Like there's probably going to be a link. Go check it out. Click on it. Bye bye. Take care.